Hey everyone, welcome back to Design by Misha. Today I am heading towards India International Trade Fair in Delhi. So I thought, why not take you along on your ride?
As an interior designer, attending such exhibition hold immense value, and in this video, I'll tell you why. Let's dive into the hustle and bustle of this grand event. We have just stepped into Pragati Maidan, the sprawling venue for the India International Trade Fair. The sheer scale of this event is mind-boggling, with pavilions from various countries and industries. So join me as we navigate through the diverse exhibit and experiences. As I stepped into Pragati Maidan, the energy and diversity of this trade fair immediately caught my attention. The sprawling venue housed a multitude of stalls and each showcasing the finest product from various industries. One of the most impressive aspects was the diverse range of exhibitors. From traditional handicraft to cutting-edge technology, the fair had it all. As an interior designer, this diversity provides an unparalleled opportunity to discover unique materials, furnishing, and decor elements. The 42th edition of India International Trade Fair in New Delhi commenced on November 14, 2023 and is scheduled to conclude on November 27th. The Iitf fair is held annually, which witnessed record footfall in the national capital. The theme of the 42 India International Trade Fair in New Delhi is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, united by trade, which means the world is a family. The India International Trade Fair serves as a hub for networking with professionals from across the globe. You can meet the manufacturers, suppliers, and even fellow designers, which allows for a valuable connection that can shape the future of our projects. For interior designers, staying ahead of design trend is crucial. At the fair, I witnessed emerging trends in colors, textures, and style. The first-hand exposure enabled designers to incorporate the latest and most innovative elements into our work. It's also a celebration of diverse culture. The cultural performances at the fair are nothing short of spectacular. Let's enjoy a snippet of the vibrant dances and music that add a unique flavor to the event. And if you are coming over here, you can't miss the food from different states, and I really enjoyed eating at the food stall. The fair is a platform to explore, shop, and learn. The trade fair serves as a platform for nearly 3,500 exhibitors from India and abroad to showcase their products. The spotlight in this significant event of the year is on states like Maharashtra, Delhi, Jharkhand, and Jammu and Kashmir. Countries such as Iran, Bangladesh, Oman, Egypt, Nepal, Thailand, and more present their versatile products across various fields. This fair stands out as one of the largest trade exhibitions incorporating both B2B and B2C components. You will even see yards of cloth spread across. Exploring products and design from different countries broaden your design perspective, and it allows you to incorporate global influence into your work, which results in a more eclectic and well-rounded design approach. My visit to India International Trade Fair was not just a visually stimulating experience, but also an intellectually enriching one. For interior designers, attending such exhibition is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's an investment in your creativity, network, and professional growth. If you haven't attended one yet, I highly recommend marking it on your calendar for the next opportunity. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight into the world of design. Until next time, signing off from the heart of trade and tradition. Keep exploring.